Hey warrior, welcome back. If you've been building this business feeling completely alone, I need you to sit with me for the next few minutes because I used to live exactly where you might be living right now. For the first 6 months of my business, I treated every other mom in my niche like she was the competition. If she had a similar offer, I saw a threat, not a potential friend. I guarded my ideas, I stayed quiet in Facebook groups, and I built completely exhaustingly alone. But now looking back, that season taught me that doing everything right by hustle culture's rules, I was more tired and more stuck than I'd ever been. Here's what nobody told me. The women who are actually scaling right now aren't doing it solo. They've got referral partners sending them warm leads, collaborators sharing their content with brand new audiences, a small circle of people catching their blind spots before a launch flops. Collaboration isn't a nice extra once your business is big enough. It's a growth strategy you can start using today at whatever size you're at and with whatever time you have. Let me walk you through exactly how I shifted this step by step. Step one, find aligned, not competing partners. The first shift was learning to look for women serving a similar audience, but with a complementary offer, not a rival offer. A copywriter and a web designer aren't competitors. They're a referral loop waiting to happen. A meal prep coach and a time management coach serve the exact same tired, busy mom, but from two completely different angles. And once I started looking for complementary partners instead of scanning for competition, I suddenly had a list of 10 or more women I could reach out to in that same week. Step two, open the conversation with connection, not a pitch. This is where most of us get stuck, myself included. We're scared to reach out because we assume it has to be some polished, professional pitch. It doesn't. The message I use starts with genuine, specific appreciation for their work, something I actually noticed and loved, followed by a low pressure invitation to hop on a call. Hey, I just love what you're building. Would you be open to a quick call sometime? That's it. That's the whole opener. And step three, structure is a simple win-win. Once you've had that first conversation, keep the structure simple. This can be as informal as I mention you naturally and you mention me naturally. No contract required. The partnership proves itself over a few months and you can formalize it with a written referral agreement if it makes sense. But don't let the fear of doing it officially stop you from starting informally today. Now, I want to be honest about the mistakes because I made every one of them. I reached out to women who looked successful but weren't actually aligned in values, and those partnerships fizzled fast. I over-formalized too early, turning a simple mention into an awkward contract conversation before there was any trust built, and I let rejection, someone simply not responding, mean way more than it should have. If someone doesn't reply, that's not a referendum on your worth. It just means it wasn't the right fit right now. And here's what I want you to take from this video, warrior. You were never meant to build this alone. Not because you're not capable. You clearly are. You're here. You're building something real. But because it was never designed to be a solo project. Community isn't a consolation prize for women who can't do it alone. It's the actual strategy the most successful women in this space are quietly using while everyone else is just trying to hustle harder. This week, I want you to do one thing, just one. Identify a single woman, someone complimentary, not competing, and send her a genuine no-pitch message. That's it. That's your homework. If you want the full framework, the exact scripts I use, and a whole community of women doing this alongside you, all of what you are waiting for is inside the Empower Collective on Skool. The link is below in the description. And while you're there, grab the free Connection to Income Starter Pack. And if you're ready to go even deeper, join us for the authentic networking for women who hate small talk. Because yes, that's most of us. And no, you don't have to be a natural networker to build real partnerships. And keep an eye out for my book, The Warrior Mom's Playbook. It just launched this year, and there's a whole section in there exactly on this topic. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the one person, or who's the one person you're going to reach out to this week? I read every single comment, and I want to celebrate that first brave message with you. You were never meant to build this alone, warrior. I'll see you next time.